Welcome to the RVDIY Garage, presented by RV LED Lights. Today's project, a motion-activated LED upgrade. In this task, we will be replacing a single Bargman 30-78-517 porch light fixture with two of the most popular motion-activated LED lighting fixtures sold in the RV industry today. Our goal is to determine which LED porch light with motion activation best improves an RV's exterior lighting for security, convenience, battery monitoring, and safety. In the outcome, we will provide a detailed comparison of the functionality, installation processes, and finished product aesthetics for our DIY enthusiasts. So, let's get started. The replacement fixture will need to be a motion security light. Have a good customer star rating. Completely cover the old fixture footprint. Feature: easily adjustable sensitivity. Designed with two modes of operation. Delivers genuinely high lumen output. Be built to deliver long-lasting performance. Built with IP65 dust and water resistance. Have a form of polarity guard that intelligently corrects input circuitry polarity, preventing potential damage. Would support a form of IntelliSensor, which is battery supply voltage sensing circuitry, a great tool for monitoring your batteries during dry camping. Would feature an advanced Fresnel lens with exceptional UV resistance and specialized filtering to prevent false alerts from small animal IR reflections, and be built from a strong housing material with high resistance to UV degradation. In this presentation, we will compare two motion-activated lights commonly found in the RV marketplace today. The first one being the Motion Guard, MG1000-450B. This fixture has a high 4.6-star rating on Amazon. The MG1000-450B offers a robust, no BS, 450 lumens of bright light at 6500 K, which provides ample illumination and security for exterior spaces. Its adjustable motion sensor boasts a 35-foot range, assuring optimal coverage around the RV. This fixture has an IP65 rating, which guarantees resistance to water, dust, and bugs. The Motion Guard series of security lighting was designed in the USA by an American OEM designer and built with durability in mind. The other motion-activated light we will be reviewing is the Leisure LED, LL-F-PRCH-MOT. This fixture has a below-average 3.9-star rating on Amazon. While marked as a motion-activated light, its advertised 280 lumen output might be insufficient for real adequate outdoor lighting. With a non-adjustable motion sensor and a mere 20-foot advertised range, this fixture's effectiveness is notably limited, especially when compared to the Motion Guard MG1000-450B. There are additional customer concerns that have been raised about its build quality and longevity in harsh RV environments. This security light was designed in China by a Chinese designer who may not be well versed in American RVs. One more thing that I have never seen before is a warning like this on Amazon, so it makes me wonder about the quality of the Leisure LED product. It should be noted that consumer reviews for this Leisure LED product often highlight that it has a shorter lifespan and less than ideal performance in colder temperatures. Here we are using the Motion Guard Adapter PL-S fitment chart to choose the correct adapter plate to be used with the MG1000-450B on this project. Simply locate your old fixture's manufacturer and part number on the chart. Then select your preferred color, black or white. For our project, the adapter PL-SB is the correct choice. Please note, we want to ensure a perfect fit for your Motion Guard product. That's why we include comprehensive fitment charts with every item. Can't find what you're looking for or need personalized guidance? Don't hesitate to call us. Our team is ready and happy to help. Here, we're comparing the size of the MG1000-450B when mounted to the ADAPTOR PL-SB or as the bundled unit MG1000-450B-SB, directly against the leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT motion light. Please note, so you can easily compare, all product sizes are displayed in their true proportions. To ensure a smooth and correct installation of the adapter PL-SB, we will be referring to these comprehensive pictured instructions. They provide all the guidance we'll need. This is the Bargman 3078-515 porch light fixture as mounted on the RV side wall. To get started first, remove the lens and the 4 screws as shown. Caution: be sure you have disconnected the power to the fixture before cutting the power and ground wires. This is the unpainted and residue-contaminated area left after the Bargman 3078-515 porch light fixture's removal. When you use the adapter PL-SB to mount the MG1000-450B, you'll minimize unnecessary modifications to your coach. We designed the adapter PL-SB to utilize existing mounting holes and effectively cover any unpainted, sun-faded, or residue-contaminated areas left by the removed Bargman 3078-517 porch light fixture, as shown here. This aligns with our philosophy of preserving the original coach design, avoiding additional drilling or repainting to complete your project. Unlike when installing the adapter PL-SB, when installing the leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT fixture, even if you use one existing hole, be aware that it will expose an unpainted area and necessitate drilling 3 new mounting holes as shown. Attach both the adapter PL-SB and the leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT fixtures at this time. Now, secure the MG1000-450B to the adapter PL-SB. Use the shorter screws from the provided hardware kit for this attachment. The leisure LED motion light appears to have several limitations or unstated features. Specifically, it lacks sensitivity adjustment. There is no apparent way to adjust the motion sensor's sensitivity. LED mode indicator. The unit does not include an LED annunciator to indicate its current operating mode. Day/night photo cell. The presence or absence of a day-night photo cell feature is not noted. However, the standard features of the motion guard MG1000-450B-SB are as follows: adjustable sensitivity by way of a finished knob, an LED mode annunciator and battery monitoring circuitry, a day-night photo cell for arming the security mode dusk to dawn, and a sync button allowing the mounting of 2 or more fixtures on one switch. When comparing the finished installations, any DIY enthusiast would likely agree. The leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT installation looks acceptable, but the exposed unpainted area and the need for new mounting holes are undesirable. Conversely, the motion guard MG1000-450B, when paired with the adapter PL-SB, offers a flawless replacement for the Bargman 3078-517 porch light fixture. The result is a truly custom appearance with no visible sealant around the perimeter, just a clean, professional finish when instructions are followed. Shown here are customer-submitted photos, clearly illustrating the difference in light output between these security lights. The leisure LED RV motion light provides a noticeably subdued illumination. In stark contrast, the motion guard MG1000-450B-SB delivers impressive, bright light, ensuring maximum visibility and superior security for your campsite. The following will be a comparative analysis of the replacement product considerations outlined for this project. The motion guard, MG1000-450B-SB, has a star rating on Amazon of 4.5, whereas the leisure LED, LL-F-PRCH-MOT, has a star rating on Amazon, 3.9, with a warning I have never seen before. Interesting. This is a proportionally correct size comparison between the 2 motion lights. Tired of clunky, ill-fitting RV lights that leave behind unsightly holes or unpainted areas once installed? Motion Guard is the only RV lighting brand that eliminates the frustration, offering custom adapter plates designed for truly effortless custom installations. Here, the Motion Guard bundle, MG1000-450B-SB, using the adapter PL-SB, is an example of one of those custom installations. The Leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT can replace the Bargman 30-78-517 porch light fixture in this application, but it comes with two significant compromises: an exposed unpainted area and the need to drill 3 additional mounting holes. When it comes to adjustable sensitivity, the Motion Guard MG1000-450B-SB stands out, offering precise control via a convenient fingertip adjustment knob. Unfortunately, the lack of adjustable sensitivity is a drawback of the Leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT RV motion light. Both our Motion Guard and Leisure LED lighting fixtures provide the convenience of both porch light and security light modes. The Motion Guard bundle, MG1000-450B-SB, delivers a bright 450 lumens with a cool, daylight-like 6500K color temperature that beautifully mimics natural sunlight. Whereas the Leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT may not provide sufficient campsite coverage due to its advertised dimmer 280 lumen output at 6500K. Given the importance of long-lasting outdoor lighting, you should experience lasting peace of mind and reduced maintenance costs with the Motion Guard MG1000-450B-SB. Its durable design and impressive 60,000-hour lifespan ensure reliable safety and security for your RV for years to come. The Leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT fixture, on the other hand, with its limited lifespan of 20,000 hours, is a significant drawback, as it could necessitate more frequent replacements and increased maintenance costs. The two lights are both advertised as being IP65 rated for water and dust resistance. All Motion Guard lights feature Polarity Guard technology, which automatically corrects power supply polarity, saving you the time and hassle during installation process. Unlike Motion Guard's advanced Polarity Guard technology, the Leisure LED employs a basic cheap diode for polarity protection. Unfortunately, this means the light won't function if the polarity of the power being supplied is incorrect. Motion Guard fixtures protect your investment with built-in IntelliSensor technology. This intelligent system continuously monitors battery voltage, providing an early warning with a blinking red LED if voltage drops below 11.5 volts for a full minute. Unlike Motion Guard, the Leisure LED does not have voltage sensing capabilities. The Motion Guard eliminates false alarms with its advanced high UV-resistant Fresnel lens. This innovative design filters out unwanted IR signals caused by small animals, ensuring precise and reliable detection. The Fresnel lens design of the Leisure LED fixture remains unspecified by the manufacturer. You will experience long-lasting performance with Motion Guard's rugged UV-stabilized polycarbonate housing, where the Leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT fixture, on the other hand, is constructed with ABS plastic. The Leisure LED fixtures are less robust than polycarbonate alternatives, potentially leading to a shorter lifespan. Based on the analysis of the aesthetic and functional differences between the Motion Guard MG1000-450B-SB and the Leisure LED LL-F-PRCH-MOT, it's clear that the Motion Guard MG1000-450B-SB is the superior choice for this DIY project. The MG1000-450 bundle comes in 2 color options: For black, order the MG1000-450B-SB, and for white, order the MG1000-450B-SW. Choose the perfect option for your RV or project, and remember that both bundles offer the flexibility of customization. Meet some of the amazing people who have chosen our products. Their satisfaction is a testament to our commitment to quality. If you think this video was awesome, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and should have any questions or need any help, don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help, and travel safe.